Welcome to RPG Maker News. I'm your host, Salik, and in today's news we have an icon set of general RPG items by Wecoc, a pack of starter RPG icons by Clockwork Raven, a Japanese voice pack of around 400 system-related voices, and it also comes with 9 background music tracks by Karugamo and Komodo. Next, we have a Tileset pack of a Dryad's Legendary Palace by Kokoro Reflections. And lastly, we have some news relevant to all game developers and gamers. Valve has announced Steam Deck, a handheld gaming console for Steam games, and a full portable gaming PC. For us RPG Maker users, it means 3 things. First, we want to focus on gamepad control for our games. Second, we have to publish our games onto Steam. The user base there is going to explode with more gamers. Third, we can now make games on the go, or on the toilet, since we can use the fully featured RPG Maker on this portable device. And that's all for today. Go back to game making now.